Hello everyone, this is Tamara Linkowski from HealthyTreatMarket.com, and I'm going to teach you how to make the most delicious keto biscuits you've ever had. So what I do is I use 2 cups of either the garlic bread mix or the skinny bread mix. You can choose either one. If you want sweet and savory, you can do Baker's Basic, but I don't care for that. I want like real tasting biscuits. So I did 2 cups, which is 8 servings of the garlic bread mix. So I put 8 eggs in there, and I'm gonna do a cup of half and half. This is a half cup, so I'm using 2 of these, okay? I'm gonna mix it really good. And it's just the same portion that's written on the back of the package. Okay, you see that? You see the consistency? As it sits, it's gonna thicken a little bit more, okay? And then what I did is I took a small onion, I did half a package of turkey pepperoni, I did half of this, and I did a whole package of bacon bits. And what I did is I put them all together, sauteed them. This is what they look like. So I'm going to dump this in here right now. I'm telling you guys, this is so good. Okay. I'm gonna mix it up again. And then I'm gonna add a cup of cheese. See how delicious this is? I'm gonna add a cup of cheese, and I'm just gonna gauge it with my hand. This is about a cup right here, maybe a little bit more. Okay, mix it up really good, and that's all it takes, guys. And you got some delicious keto biscuits. And I'm just gonna put dollops on a big pan. You can see this is what 2 cups worth gives you. So I made 16 good sized biscuits with 2 cups. So I'm gonna put this in the oven at 350, and we'll take it back out and let you see it. All right everyone, so I put these in at 350 for 20 minutes. And now I'm gonna just drizzle butter on them all. And I'm gonna make them like a delicious biscuit, okay? I just took some butter and warmed it up. And I'm telling you, I'm going on vacation. So I made a little bit extra for my kids because they like this. Well, we'll see if they like this. You can get their first reaction.
I love it.
You do? Wait till you try it. And then what I'm gonna do is take it with me on vacation, and this is gonna be my food. I was gonna do this and a chocolate cake, because I'm going away for 4 days. So this is how you can go on vacation and eat healthy. So if you order the 20 serving of the garlic bread, you'll get
No, that looks
that would be 5 cups. This is 4 cups total. Okay, it doesn't need too much salt because there's already salt in the mix, and there's also salt in the cheese. And so and then now a little bit of Parmesan cheese. And you got the most delicious biscuits. And these kind of mimic Red Lobster biscuits, but they're actually even better because they got bacon bits and all kind of stuff in them. Okay, let's give it the test and see what the kids think. Okay, kid number 1. Is it hot? It's not very hot. Be honest.
Oh my god.
Okay, Hattie,
Oh my god.
kid number 2. Sorry, that's a big chunk. Here,
Oh my god.
grab that, put it in your mouth. Jake,
Oh. It's so good.
it's so good.
What
Okay. Well, kid tested,
do you like
mother
it?
approved. Is it yummy? It is? Good. Okay. Thank you for watching. Visit HealthyTreatsMarket.com.
It tastes just like the breadsticks.